Today's letter of the day is E. E as in extraordinary, because crocheters are extraordinary. If you want to see the tutorial for how to make an E, stay tuned. I've already done A, B, C, and D. Today is E, tomorrow is F, and the rest of the letters, a letter a day, will keep the haters away. All right, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is chain 24. Then you're going to double crochet into the next 6 stitches. So we're going to skip this first stitch into the second stitch. We're going to start our double crochet. Next 5 stitches, we're going to put 1 double crochet in each stitch. So once you double crocheted 6 to 6, we're going to double crochet 5 together, which will equal 6 loops on our hook. So to do it together, we're going to yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull our yarn through. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over again, pull through 2. We got 2 loops, yarn over, go into the next stitch, put your hook through, pull through, yarn over, only pull through 2. We have 3 loops, yarn over, go into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. We got 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, go through, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So you're doing this until you have 6 loops on your hook. We only have 5 right now, so we're going to go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 6 loops. We're going to yarn over again and pull through all 6 of those loops. Once you do that, we're going to put 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. You can see the start of our E forming, and then you're going to chain 5. All right, so not this first stitch, but this second stitch, we're going to start doing double crochets again, okay? And we're going to go down the row. All right, and then for this 4th stitch, you're going to have to find a place in here to go and do your double crochet. Now, in this double crochet that we ended when we were going down this way, right here, we're going to go in between it, and we're going to put 2 double crochets in the same spot. So in the middle of this last double crochet we did before we did the chain, we're going to put 2 double crochets in that same spot. Okay, so now we're going to count 3 stitches down, and then we're going to slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch. All right, so after our slip stitch, we're going to go into this next stitch, and we're going to put a double crochet. Then you're going to turn your work, count 3 stitches on the middle of our E that we made. So that's 1, 2, 3, and right there you're going to slip stitch again. Now you're going to turn your work again, and then you're going to double crochet back into those 2 stitches. Now from here, you're going to count 3 stitches down, 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to make a slip stitch. This joins the middle part of our E together. Now in the next stitch, we're going to put a double crochet. Then you're going to turn your work, and you're going to count 3 stitches on the middle part of our E. So look at your V's and count your 3. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and we're going to slip stitch there. Okay. All right, so after you've done that, you're going to turn your work, and right here where we have our chain row, you're going to go into the next stitch and put a double crochet. there, and you're going to put a double crochet into the stitch after that. Now once you do that, you're going to chain 7. Once you chain 7, you're going to go into the 1 double crochet into the next 6 stitches. So not this very first stitch, but the second stitch, we're going to put a double crochet, and we're just going to go back down our row. You should have 1 double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now what we're going to do is we're going to repeat what we did before by putting 2 double crochet in the middle of the previous row where we put our last double crochet before chaining out. So we're just going to go in the middle of that stitch and put 2 double crochet in the same place. You should have 3 stitches left. Go into that last stitch and put a slip stitch. Chain 1, cut, and here is your E, and it's ready to go on the blocking board.